Critics say it's the end of parodies and memes, but some musicians say changes to copyright law in the EU ensure artists are paid for their work. Musician Wycliffe Jean has spoken out against the law. He says artists should be working with hosting sites to maximize their exposure.
I own some of the biggest copyrights in the world, and I'm telling any kid right here, I don't want to filter for you if you want to play the Wyclef Jean music. So this is how I'm going to discover the next artist. So as a producer, back home, all of the producers, the way that they're going to discover artists is through these platforms.
However, former Beatles Sir Paul McCartney was in favour. It's a debate in the music industry that goes back to the early days of music downloading. There are those that want to get paid for what they say is their intellectual property, but others feel it will mean their work won't get promoted as widely. The law's most contentious points were Articles 11 and 13. Article 11 requires online companies to pay news outlets for hosting their content. Article 13 requires platforms to stop users from sharing unlicensed copyright material. Edward Adu is a broadcaster and DJ who routinely uploads his content. He now fears that this could come to an end.
This ruling is just not about artists making money. It's about connecting with people who share music on a daily basis, from getting married to university graduating to funerals, all aspects of life. If a track is not approved or is not given a seal of approval by the record label or by the copywriter, it's not going to be put on that channel.
The bill was passed 438 votes to 226 in the EU Parliament, but critics watered the law down before it was passed. Offending material won't be automatically deleted. A proposal for filters that would automatically remove content was dropped, and it still has to be approved by the EU Council before it's passed into law, allowing opponents of the law to keep lobbying for changes. It may be a new era for the internet, with web giants forced to operate on a new model within the EU. While for the rest of us, sharing videos with music, parodies and even memes may become a lot more difficult. Asad Baig, TRT World, London.